Hello everyone, Maximilian here, coming up with the next video. In this video we're gonna be unboxing this big package that got sent to me, so let's get started. Let's see what's inside of it. So I'm so happy that I have a new package to get unboxed. If you want to send me something like this, you have the contact information down in the description, and yeah, I will review your product. So let's see what we have in here. As you can see, people, this package is very well packed. You can just easily cut through this foil, and yeah, the shoes are very well prepared and secured. Alright, here we have it. Let's see what's inside of it. Wow. So what we have in here is the Maison Margiela shoes. Let's see what they look like inside. I'm so interested in them. Let's see. So this one is the model S58, as you can tell, the fabric type, the production date, and also the size 42. The box itself is very sturdy. I love it. Let's unbox them. Let's see what's inside. So the shoes are from the store Tikick.ru. As you can see, this is their website, their Instagram, WhatsApp information, contact, and you can also use the max code for $15 off your order, which is amazing. And here inside we've got the shoes, so let's take a look at them. Let's see how they all look like. Wow, very well packed. As you can tell, every single shoe is in a separate box, and this is how the shoes look like. So one thing that I have to mention is that there is a specific smell of the paint on the shoes. So yeah, what I would recommend you to do when you just order these Maison Margiela from the Tikick store is to just put them away on the air for them to breathe a little bit, so that you don't get the smell, that paint smell, you know what I'm saying. Other than that, let's just see how the shoes look like. So as you can see on the side here, this is the real suede, and this is also the real leather. I love the leather here. It all looks just beautiful. The materials used are very well crafted. This whole design is just beautiful. As you can see here, inside on the tongue, you've got the 42 made in Italy Italian leather quality. And inside of here, you've got also the replica. So it says reproduction of font garments of varying sources and periods. Yeah, so you've got the one-to-one Margiela sneakers. The sole itself looks like this. As you can see, it all looks nice. I love it. This paint here smells a little bit. So yeah, as I told you, I prefer you to just go out and put that on the wind for that to blow away, so you don't get to smell any of this paint. But other than that, I love the design of the shoes. Look at them. They're very nice. They're very stylish. I love them. Tikick really stepped up their game and they delivered. Let's also take a look at the other one. Let's see how this one looks like. So this one is the left. And the left shoe looks also very nice. I like this. A very well crafted shoe. I like this thing a lot. And yes, you've got that Maison Margiela shoe, Italian leather. It's all thick, very well prepared, very well made. In a moment I will also wear them, and let's see how they look like on my feet. In here we also have the Maison Margiela Paris leather. So yeah, it's all in English, French, and also the Chinese and Japanese, I guess. Let's see if there's anything left in the box. No, that's it. So let's wear them now. Let's see how they look like on my feet. Okay people, and here I am with the shoes on. As you can tell, they look very stylish, very nice. You've got that clean European style, which is what people are really looking for. On the Tikick.ru is just amazing. You have the link down in the description, and also if you want to sign up to CN Funds, don't forget about the registration link down below. And okay people, that will be it as for today's video. Don't forget to check out the Tikick.ru where I get the shoes from. Honestly, they're very nice. The quality is just insane. I love it. You've got a leather, you've got all the nice little things there, and yeah, the quality is just amazing. So if it's worth it, I definitely would say so. The shoes are very nice, very well made, and you can definitely shop for nice items on the Tikick.ru. Very nice. If you want to save some extra money, consider just signing up to CN Funds, where you've got hundreds of different products for attractive prices, and also you've got a link down in the description. Check out my spreadsheets. You've got 1500 different items here with high quality materials and everything. So yeah, consider just signing up to the CN Funds. Also check out my TikTok, and please help me to hit 1000 followers. That will be it as for today's video. If you have any questions, simply ask me in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Bye!